Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to cook this Wagyu ribeye. This is my first time cooking this, so I'm really nervous because this meat is quite expensive. So as what my brother-in-law said, that there's no room for error in cooking this meat. So let's get started. First, let's season this meat with a little bit of salt. Let's go light in seasoning this meat. Season this lightly with salt and black pepper. Rub it gently. And let's also season the other side. Season this light, just like that, and rub this. And I'm already preheating my iron skillet because we're gonna sizzle this. Get that marble pattern on the meat. That's the lovely fats that makes the Wagyu taste buttery. It melts in your mouth. Without further ado, let the sizzle begin. Hi guys, let's start cooking. I already put a little bit of olive oil. And here is a Wagyu. Wow! Check it out. And let's add some butter, about 2 tablespoons of butter, and add the thyme to infuse the flavors, and the garlic. Ooh, wow, look at that, sizzling. This is delicious. Wow, it smells so good. And now let's flip this. Oh my gosh. Wow! Wow! Look at that. Wow! Oh my gosh. This is heavenly. It's medium rare, so let's turn up the heat. This is perfect. Now let's give this a try. Just check out the beautiful meat. Wow. Let's try this. The meat is very soft and it melts in your mouth. Check that out. Wow. I love Wagyu. Really, the flavor is just perfect. It's not overpowering because I just season it with a little bit of salt and black pepper. The infused garlic and thyme plus the flavor of the beef, it goes so well. Very nice. I want to give this recipe a 10-star, really. Plus the meat, oh my gosh, this meat is really good, guys. Wow. This is so good, really. And with my red wine, of course. Thank you to my sponsor. Oh wow, the best. Oh my gosh, everything is inside. It melts like butter in my mouth. It's so good. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Cheers. Ooh, delish.